NTC Resolution number 4/2024, approving the amendments of the 2023-2025 Global Development Investment Plan and adopting the annual investment plan for budget year 2025 of the Municipality of Guimba. And number 4, approving Provincial Ordinance Series of 2024, Municipality of Guimba, Nueva Ecija, authorizing the 2025 annual budget of Guimba, Nueva Ecija fiscal year 2025 amounting to 571,650,545 pesos for general fund, including operation maintenance of global economic enterprise under special fund account, and appropriating funds necessary for the purpose in accordance with those rules and regulations. All is being sponsored by SPM Giancarlo Quindison, Chairman Committee on Finance and Appropriation.
Nung makikita po ang dalawang nabasang dinatapos na gawain, number 3 and 4 ay malito po sa other matters for scheduling po committee meeting. Madam Chair. Madam Chair, nais kong magtatawag ng committee meeting sa December 19, alas 10 ng umaga tungkol sa ating dinatapos na gawain number 3 kasama na po ang ating investment program for the
December 19 po, sino po ang ating mga papanyayahan po dito?
Mas ko natin ipitayin lahat ng involved po sa LDIP, kabilang na po si MPDO, si Budget. Kasama na po ang local development council po siguro. Silang LDIP na magtatalakay.
Sa data
Nakapirma dun sa